They can look at images for that event. Okay, so people are curious. They want to know about what's going on at your restaurant. You have your upcoming events there. Okay, it could be monthly or it could be a single time event, whatever you choose. Okay, and actually I'm going to show you how to use this, so you don't have to worry about that. But here's an example calendar of events. Okay, alrighty. So let's move on. Now just keep in mind how powerful this is, and right here is the most powerful feature that you can have. Matter of fact, this is better than Facebook, Twitter, and anything. Okay, and this is called push messages. You can actually send a text message to your app holders or people that have downloaded your app. You can send a text message to let them know about instant specials. Okay, not instant specials, but specials that are happening like right now. Now, suppose it's a Thursday night, and I've noticed in some restaurants, Thursdays are kind of dead. Don't know why, but suppose you push out a message saying free drinks, free margaritas for the next 2 hours. Okay, if you push that out, text messages or push messages have a 97% read rate instantly. So when you send out a text message or push message, it's going to automatically read it on their phone. You have a message from Sweet George's Juke Joint or whatever your restaurant is. If you want to read it now, you can click yes, or not, you can wait. But that message is going to be on that app. Okay, so as I said before, 97% of people read text messages. 4% would read an email. Now suppose you sent out that same message, free margaritas for the next 2 hours, and it went by email, which I call snail mail nowadays. Okay, email, guess what? People are not going to see that because they have to be sitting down at a computer or somewhere where they're at a computer, to read the email, or they can read the email on their phone, but who does that? Whereas, like I said, 97% will read that text message. Okay, powerful. So can you see how that would pack your restaurant if you offered something like that? Send out that push message. Okay, check in. This is for your loyal customers. Okay, preview app would like to use current location. We're going to say don't allow right now. Well, we'll say okay. But anyway, what this is, this allows your customers to check in as soon as they're in your restaurant. Okay, and if they check in 3 times, they can get $1 off any appetizer or whatever the special is for whatever you want. Okay, so when they check in 3 times, they get $1 off that appetizer. Okay. Now think about that. They have to be at your restaurant. Okay, it will not work if they're somewhere else. So they just can't, check in. They can't do that. As you can see down here, it says 2,133 miles. I don't know why it says that much from location. But you can check in. You can try and check in. It won't check in. Okay. All right. Let's go to music, which I heard you heard earlier. But suppose you want to have a list of music that people can listen to, or better yet, buy. Where there's an affiliate program where you can actually make money when someone buys the music from iTunes. Like say they buy that, I think you get like a half commission or whatever it is, or 99 cents, whatever it is. That's another income stream. Okay, so you can have a list of music down here. Okay, and people can listen to the music. If they can't find anything on their radios in their cars or wherever they may be, on their phones. So you have to see the power in that. Can you see that? Okay. All right. Let's go to specials. Okay. This is the specials of the day or of the month or however you want it. Okay. And that's what that is. That just shows the special. And actually, I would set up your menu to look like this, which is much more attractive, actually. Okay. So let's move on. Okay. Messages. Okay. As I said before, this is your push messages. Okay. And actually, I have to take that one off because I have it on there already. But that's what that is. Okay. Voice recorder. Watch this. Okay, record a message about your experience at Sweet George's Juke Joint. or whatever your restaurant is. So they can record a message and play the message, and that message will be available for everyone else to listen to also, if you choose to send it. Okay, so suppose I want to send it, it may not work because, like I said, I'm on the app preview, but yeah, it's not going to work there. But record a message, whatever it is, rate your experience at Sweet George's Juke Joint or your restaurant. Okay, so powerful. Okay, and those are powerful testimonies also. So can you see how the service is great at your restaurant? Can you see people leaving a testimony and bringing more people in to your restaurant? Okay, let's go to newsletter. We've seen that before. Okay, let's go to this loyalty tab, and this is what I love. Now, we all know about the punch cards, right? Well, guess what? No need to bother with the punch cards anymore because they can check in. Once they check in at your restaurant 10 times, okay, I have a free dinner for 2, but whatever you choose, you can put that there. And so when they check in 10 times, that will unlock that, okay? And it will say free dinner for 2. So when they show up at your restaurant, guess what? I ate at Sweet George's 10 times. I need my free dinner. Here, me and my wife, or me and my significant other, we want to eat now, okay? And we want the special, okay? So powerful. Can you see how that would keep your customers coming back? Yes. Okay. So let's go to QR coupon, okay, which is another version of, okay, yeah, there we go. Oop, yeah, which is another version of the coupon that I showed you earlier. So I'm going to skip that one. Okay. All right. Let's go to a QR scanner. Okay. People use this just to scan a QR code anywhere, but they can also use that scanner to check in at your restaurant. Actually, when they get there, they can scan and they'll check in automatically. Or actually, it would check in from the coupon scanner, not the QR scanner. But you can use that just to scan anywhere, and people will use that as a feature, not necessarily for your restaurant, but just to have on their phone. Okay. So they may need a scanner real quick to scan something. They may be at the supermarket, and my wife does this a lot. They can use the QR scanner that's on your app. Okay, so they don't necessarily have to be, they don't necessarily have to see your app, which is on their phone, but they can use your app for other features also, which is more branding. Okay. All right. Let's go to videos. Okay. You may have videos of your restaurant, video testimonies. In this case, this says Stevie Wonder's at Sweet George's Juke Joint, and Stevie Wonder is there. But you can put as many videos as you want. Testimonial videos, videos of people having a good time at your restaurant, which is powerful in itself. People can see what's going on, and so forth at your restaurant. So very powerful. Can you see how that would bring people and actually keep people engaged on your app? Okay. So let's move on. Survey. Okay. You can ask this to complete the survey, and you can incentivize your customers to complete the survey. We love to hear about our service with you today. Please rate our meal and service. And actually, that's a drop down on that where it says there's a scale of 1, which is poor, to 10, which is best. Okay, so powerful. Fan wall. This is where your customers and prospects can post on the fan wall. They can leave testimonies. Okay, you got location there that may, yeah. Okay, well, maybe, maybe not. Okay, you got your gallery there. Okay, which will be more pictures. Okay, powerful. Okay. Of course, you got Facebook, right? Okay, and they can take a picture of the meal and send it to